Hello again. Hope you're liking our posts. Don't forget to place a like. I'm going to help you now with writing, and we're going to dig deeper into how you state your opinion. So this is a list of some phrases you could use to open your sentences. In my opinion, according to me, in my view, to me, from my point of view, I think, it seems to me that, I believe, from my perspective, to my way of thinking, it appears that, I suppose, I realize, I understand, I imagine, and I feel. So when you begin to state your argument, you can use some of these introductory phrases. The most important aspect, moreover, sometimes, despite the view that, on the other hand, notwithstanding, research shows that, the evidence clearly shows that. Another factor to be considered is, however, some opponents declare this, but I feel that. Nevertheless, and on balance.